Step 1. Visually inspect the helicopter's body for damage, focusing on cracks or loose panels that could compromise structural integrity. Step 2. Clean and check cockpit windows for any damage or obstructions to ensure they provide clear visibility for safe operation. Step 3. Inspect the main rotor blade for any cracks, deformation, or debris that could affect its balance and performance. Step 4. Check the tail rotor for security and intactness to maintain stability and control during flight. Step 5. Confirm that all helicopter components are securely attached and properly aligned to ensure safety and functionality during operation. Step 6. Perform a thorough walk-around to ensure all inspections are complete and the helicopter is safe for flight. That was the final step.